been waiting for this moment.
Don't forget your gear. Here, give me a hand.
Iba yung nabibigay niya parang ginhawa no, sa atin. Tipid pa. Kasi nga walang pamasahe. 'Di ba? And the irony ng my transition days ng PS3 to PS4, ito yung mga una ko na laro, Killzone Shadowfall. Ito talaga, maganda siya, promise. Maganda siya. In a sense na
okay. Oh, may kamay. Maganda yung ano ba yung bag? Akit na tayo dito. Boss fight na yata ito. Ano pa?
ang area, dito try mong ubusin siya and then you proceed. Dito hindi, meron siyang level of tacticality. 'Di ba? Merong tacticality kahit paano. Ayun.
Aren't just there for decoration, sister.
Giorno, diba? Yung mga Giorno, wala sinungaling yan. Kaya maniwala dun. Promise. Diba? Wala nang Giornong matino yan.
You expect me to believe that this was all the work of a single soldier?
I don't know what else to tell you.
The enemy insists that this is all a ploy on your part.
Actually.
Huh?
I visited you in the hospital. You were still unconscious, though.
Then you must have seen me naked.
Yeah, but you were all wrapped up in bandages and tubes, so I couldn't do anything.
Nothing means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if...
You must catch the boss yourselves and recover the remaining nuclear device. Then, you must find some way to prove your innocence.
Prove our innocence?
can I say?
Base ng operation nila, no? Kung ako yan, mag-aaklas, ay, grabe siya, no? Alam mo, maganda na nga yung setup ng company namin, tapos mag-aaklas ka pa. O, saan ka pa? Work from home, all the way. O, no? Sorry. Ayan, para kita na lahat, no? Video game preservation is a form of preservation applied to the video game industry.
I carry those words with me on the hunt, no matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me. To serve a purpose greater than myself.
Not forget that it was the Karja.
I'm not done. The sinkhole only formed due to your unauthorized blasting in the southern mine, Ulvund. You are responsible for the machine.
Nice angle sa piano kanina, kaya nga eh. Ayan, kita yung ano.
You want to save? What's this about?
Thanks to the Savior, the sun has shown the truth on the Bristleback incursion. Tanakh rebels were keeping pens of machines.
Anyway, ganun sa Hong Kong, no? I mean, yun din yung first country na napuntahan ko or outside the Philippines, no? So, SG, okay din sa SG, no? I mean, mga Asian
Weren't for Aloy.
I demand an official investigation. I won't be the victim of some Karja scheme.
Certain.
Ay, ayan.
and yung word na norm, parang very derogative na siya, no? Compared dun sa parang pag sinabi kang weeb, way back then, yun ang parang very derogative na kasi nga, okay. Ang benefit kasi na tinitingnan ng mga tao or ng mga corporate is the monetary benefit. 'Di ba? Or let's say, yung PSN. So since ang DRM kasi ngayon, no, especially sa digital age is online na. So walang way for you, no, na ma-authentic shorts. So these shorts, wear ka ng shorts. Right. Okay.
We use controlled. One of them must have.
How many are still down? Corvant. I'll do what I... I guess I do. Well, the chain scrape's back to work. Or it shouldn't...
sa ating mga gamers, no? So since alam niyo naman na doon magkakaroon ng mga huge price drop sa mga games, 'di ba? And mga ano din, mga any
Pa na ako pupunta.
You're pretty good. Pretty good.
There's nobody here.
From barbarian.
Ahem.
Ah,
Yes. The one who cleared...
we appreciate your service.
Didn't you just give the signal?
Both sides.
If you don't do as I say immediately, the Sun King himself shall hear of your insolence.
Kapag yung game is around 500 pesos na lang, dito sa atin, bibiling ko yon, lalaruin ko. Pero kapag yung latest na COD, walang pre-order. Diba?
thinking, until I went to work for the NSA. And one day, I'd found I'd lost faith in the things I'd been taking for granted.
What did you see? What was it that made you want to change?
Yung gamer, no, yung user natin, ni-replace natin siya as community. Diba? Kasi collectively, ito tayo eh. Diba? Customer, user, gamer, diba? Community.
With girls my age. And the nurses are very nice to me.
You changed the future. You've created a time paradox.
Yung entrance.
When the time is right.
Gotcha. Getting back to the subject.
Yes, kakasimula lang natin.
Feed myself.
You've been issued a knife and a tranquilizer gun.
Yung 25 minutes na yan.
You'll also find some.
Ayaw ng karamihan, o ayaw ng lahat, yung Infinite Warfare. Pero ako, deep inside, I enjoy the game. I enjoy the campaign. Yung campaign yung multiplayer kasi, and something siya na hindi mo makokontrol. 'Di ba? Kaya ang tawag dito, yung piracy, is usually yun yung naging
Ay, gago.
Who's that? What's going on?
Wala na yung diaper niya. Hey, wait lang. Wait lang Ni Papa, wait lang. Of that X Pero ang key kasi doon is that hindi mo siya mararan, hindi mo siya magagamit not unless you have the valid NFT to activate that.
Dahil dito. Ano po ba ang misteryo ng hospital na yan? Hindi ko nga alam eh. Parang yung buong island kasi na to abandoned. Parang wala nang nakatira. And aban pa dito.
futuristic, tapos, alam mo yun, sa space, wait lang, sa space ba? May mga space combat ba to? Hindi ko maalala kung merong space combat eh. Meron tayong parang gawin para ma-preserve at ma-keep natin to without breaking yung any law na sinet nila, no, for ownership.
We need their permission to go west?
Yeah, well, I figured it'd be nice if they weren't trying to kill me the whole time.
But this embassy hasn't started yet. We're just gonna barge in?
There's no more politics. No more that. Better stand up.
Natin, 5 bata yung ano. Tapos parang tinatawag sila ng island na bumalik dito. May something na
Okay. Ang tawag dito? Yung topic natin, no? Kasi
Are you hurt? I need to know exactly what happened.
You'll be falling at 130 miles per hour. Try not to get frostbite from the wind chill.
1 minute to drop off. Move to the rear.
kasi Petrang kabayo.
Old neck? There's that one over there. Near the
It's hard to explain. It'll help me get the lay of the land.
If you say so.
Huh. You're not the boss, are you?
You're talking about a secret weapon so big that Khrushchev was ready to pull out of Cuba to get it back.
Is Sokolov still in the facility?
No. According to our intelligence, he's in Selino Yask.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Sounds like you're serving up some impressive provisions here.
Not again. You can have the discount too, but...
Hello, gandang gabi, Sir. Kilabot naman tong lugar na to.
Using the Wikipedia definition of game preservation. Ano ba ang game preservation? So, with the platform is syempre via account. Diba? And then tong account na to, kinreate natin dun sa platform. So, meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo. Kung ano yung identity natin.
Me either. You know me too well. Just look at that bandana. If you can't put the past behind...
Pack's full, but my stash is right.
You might have to meet me halfway here. Ah!
Yun, bigla naging 7. Ano na? Diba? Ano na? Nasaan ang credibility doon? Alam na. Diba? Kaya yung mga ganong giorno, X agad.
May item yun. Kapal na doktor dito. Oh, save po dito.
Yung mga offline games na binili natin, hindi natin ma-access, no? Kasi kailangan ng authentication, ganyan, at stuff, whatever. So, isipin mo na lang,